Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today, I'm extremely excited to show you this masterpiece of a property. It is 100% new built. There are many things that I'm so excited about to show you today, but it's important to mention that this property was originally built for a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, but they decided to transform the master bedroom into a huge masterpiece. And it also counts with an 80-feet dock to put your private yacht right on your backyard. Now, I want you to envision yourself in this property, either if it is just for you, for your family, or as a relaxation paradise when you're visiting Miami. Without further ado, let's begin with the tour. This magnificent house is located in North Miami, which is just minutes away from Bal Harbour and Sunny Isles. This area offers an idyllic lifestyle with its beautiful location along Biscayne Bay, providing breathtaking waterfront views and a warm tropical climate that allows for year-round outdoor activities. The area's proximity to Miami grants easy access to the city's vibrant nightlife, shopping, dining, and entertainment options. You will also benefit from a variety of educational institutions like Florida International University, FIU. North Miami boasts several parks and recreational spaces, offering ample options for picnics, sports, and outdoor fun. Moreover, the area's diverse population contributes to a rich cultural experience, with numerous art galleries, cultural centers, and museums to explore. One of the best things about moving to North Miami is that you are never far away from gorgeous beaches with powdery white shores and turquoise waters. Head to any of North Miami's popular beaches, including Bal Harbour Beach, Hallandale Beach, and Surfside Beach, which are all just a short drive away, making this location perfect for beach lovers. This property offers the perfect blend of luxury and security as it sits within a gated community overlooking the widest canal of Keystone Point. This new 3-story home is built entirely of concrete, providing both strength and a chic contemporary design. With a total of 5,329 square feet of land and an interior living area with a little under 4,200 square feet, this home offers 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a rooftop, and 1.5 car garage. The first impression of this property is captivating. We are greeted by a modern construction style with ample parking space and a beautiful landscaped front garden. The contrasting colors of the exterior of the house add a touch of luxury and uniqueness, making it stand out in the neighborhood. Stepping into the entrance hallway, we are immediately struck by the infusion of natural light that flows throughout the house, thanks to the large sliding doors and large windows that lead to the back of the property, which we will explore in detail shortly. The living room area has impeccable finishes adorned with modern furniture that complements the atmosphere of the house perfectly. Adjacent to the living room area, we will find a half bath with clean finishes, a large mirror, and an abundance of natural light. Honestly, I love a good lighted house. Continuing on, we come to the heart of the house, the kitchen, where we're greeted by a central island perfect for your quick meals or entertaining. This kitchen is also equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, a hidden refrigerator, and a wine cooler, which are just a few of the highlights of this modern and luxurious space. The cabinets are crafted from the finest materials with different textures and contemporary designs. Across from the kitchen, we will find the dining area, complete with a 10-seater table ideal for hosting gatherings with your friends or family. The minimalistic decor of this area matches perfectly with the vibe of the property and has direct access to the outside back of the house, allowing an abundance of natural light and an incredible ocean view. From the kitchen, we can also access the laundry area with top-of-the-line washer and dryer machines and the garage where you can park your car or use it as an additional storage space. The back exterior is one of the gems of this property, with an infinity saltwater pool and an Italian 24 by 48 tile backyard, giving an incredible full luxury experience. One of the most exceptional features of this property is its boat deck, which can fit up to 80 feet jet. Imagine immersing yourself in a life of ocean paradise where your private boat awaits to take you away on an unforgettable escape to this coastal heaven, bringing to your life tranquility and serenity, or maybe fun. Not many properties in Miami have the luxury of being able to have direct access from their homes to the sea, and even less with their own boat deck. This area is just perfect and unique to enjoy the tropical weather of Miami. Before we head up to explore the second and third floors, I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below about what stood out to you the most of this first floor. Was it the beautiful living room, or maybe the sleek and modern kitchen that caught your eye? Also, I'm curious about your thoughts of this contemporary and minimalistic style of a home. Do you find it appealing and trendy, or you prefer a more traditional style? Myself, I just love the outdoor backyard space. That's a gem. By the way, if you enjoy real estate content, make sure to follow me here on YouTube and put the notification bell, and also all my other social media platforms. I'm always sharing helpful tips, exciting home tours, and much more about the world of real estate. As we make our way to the second floor, you'll notice that this is where all the bedrooms are located. Starting with the secondary bedrooms, we can see the beautiful ocean view through the window, also a stunning ensuite bathroom, seamlessly integrated into the bedroom's design, creating a sense of modern elegance. Each bedroom also has its own private closet. Now let's continue with the master bedroom, which is another gem of this property. Let's take a look. And we are now in the master bedroom. I will call it a massive master bedroom because initially this was a 2-bedroom and now it is converted into an extra large master bedroom. As you can see how far and how long it is, it goes all the way from the front of the property towards the back of the property. Now, if you decide to put it back as a 2-bedroom, so the total bedrooms of the house is going to be 4 instead of 3, the owner of this property is a general contractor and he can also do that for you. But for me, this is a piece that you're not going to be able to find in any other property. This is genuinely my dream. So the wall initially was going to be right here where the entrance of the master bedroom is. But now you enter and you see this huge wall for closet, the shoe closet as well. And towards this side, you're going to have the open in-suite bathroom. This is the North Miami Boat Slip House script. This magnificent house is located in North Miami, which is just otra vez. Finally, the property has a 3rd-floor rooftop terrace offering a vast space with breathtaking views of the sea and the neighborhood. This area is very ample and you can personalize it at your taste, whether you desire a barbecue area, a garden terrace, or a private outdoor space to practice meditation. The possibilities are endless. And this has been all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to comment down what was your favorite part and your least favorite part of this property. And remember, if you or anyone you know is thinking of buying, selling, or renting in Miami, Florida, don't forget to contact me. All my information is down in the description box. And you can also follow me on all my other social media at Stefania Mogollon, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.